Chinese experts have been working in Uganda, sharing experiences with local farmers on how to boost production and promote agricultural transformation. The cooperation under the FAO China South-South program is in its third phase in the East African country. According to Zhang Xiaoqiang, head of the Chinese expert team, the third phase of the program aims to guide local farmers to look at agriculture in a commercial way.
我们也希望在第3期的时候，我们能够推动更多就是中国和乌干达之间的贸易和投资上、农业贸易和投资上的合作。我们希望借助多个平台，把我们乌干达的优质的一些农产品能够推向国际市场，也进入中国市场。我们同时来说呢，也鼓励更多的农业企业前来乌干达进行农产品加工以及价值链、全产业链开发的一些活动。
Peter Muyimbo, coordinator of the third phase on the Ugandan side, said Uganda will draw lessons from China on how it has ensured food safety and eradicated extreme poverty.
As a phase to upscale production in rice, hybrid rice, foxtail millet, production of livestock, where we are dealing with goat production, especially the big ear goat. We shall also have embryo transfer in dairy production. We also have feeds and feeding. We would like to copy and learn this from the Chinese people.
The first and second phases of the program facilitated technology transfer and enabled improvements in the crop, livestock, and fishery subsectors. Meanwhile, a $220 million China-Uganda Agricultural Cooperation Industrial Park has been established in the central part of the country.